Greetings. In this lecture, we will use previously created label node, game object called label for text showing on a screen. And we will explain properties with script. First, we will add a GDScript default template to this label. So go to this micro button, attach a new or existing script to the selected node. Once click, you will get attach node script dialog window. In this window, in the template object, we will select default, and we will click create once. As you see here, you have some kind of script here, and this is the predefined text of this script. Without detailed explanation, I will first show you how to set property to this label. So in a function ready, click the name of the property, for example text, select equal sign, and try to do it like this. And test it with the F5. And you have these greetings on a screen with some properties defined before. But as you see, this label have this greetings text here, and this text is greetings world. So we change a text with greetings. This is the way to change any property in for any object. And now let's show you other way to change it. So we will write it like this: set text. We can use set or a get to set or get any property. For example, set text will be create a text. Let's test this. It's working. To get your property, you can use get and then write the name of the property. For example, text. With this, you will get this property, but you need to store it somewhere. Because this is string, we will set variable, for example, some string variable. We will try it like this, so the system will check. And now this str will have the properties of text. But if we delete this and use it like this, we will try to put this property to the output window. Now when I start it, greetings world is a property. In output window say greetings world. So what is happening here? This object label have property text greetings world. First we get this property like this and then print it to the output window. If we want to do it without a set or get, we can try something like this. Greetings world. So you can use it also without set or a get. Let's check our debugger. We have errors, yellow errors are warnings. A variable str has the same name as a built-in function. This is the first. And the second, the parameter delta is never used in a function process. If this is intended, prefix it with underscore delta. So it's easy to solve, just uh, write like this. And the first one, use the name of the built-in function, so we will need to change it. For example, we can write it like this. So string number one, string number one. Now when we check this, we have text, output text, no errors, no warnings. So yellow errors in a debugger window are warnings. Or your application will work with warnings, but my suggestion is to solve all warnings. And this will be all for this lecture. Goodbye.